rentals. Landlords and property managers have begun to charge additional rent fees in several markets nationwide. And we're seeing that trend make its way slowly into our market. It's Friday, September 8th, 2023. I'm Kimberly Barton of Kinetic Realty, your local market expert, with this week's Annapolis Real Estate Report. Subscribe to stay updated on our local market and let me know what you want to know. Landlords and property managers are hitting tenants with fees on top of their rental fee that we don't usually see. We already know that application fees can add up for prospective tenants as they compete on the limited rental properties and pay application fee after application fee from property to property, hoping to be accepted. But now a more insidious opportunity exists for landlords to collect little fees here and there that add up on top of the already 25 to 40% higher rental rates we've seen throughout the area. What fees? Well, pest control fees, move-in fees, move-out fees, cleaning fees, lease administration fees. Most of these fees are not being disclosed prior to the tenant seeing the lease for the signature. So be sure that you clarify all fees up front before you submit an application. Annapolis currently has 30 rental properties available at a median $3,100 per month, and renting a room in a house share will cost you about $1,500 per month. If you're a buyer, Annapolis has 110 homes for sale, though 17 homes are poised to come soon. 25 homes hit the market since last report, 11 homes went under contract, and 15 went pending over the past week. 10 sold in 12 days at 97.1% list to sold ratio. The highest priced home that sold was in the city of Annapolis for $3,225,000. That's a wrap for this week's Annapolis Real Estate Report for Friday, September 8th, 2023. Thanks so much for tuning in. Enjoy your weekend, and I'll see you next week.